Today we have the 2020 Auto Trail Apache 700. This vehicle has done just under 7,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our dining area. As we'll be able to see from the pictures, our 2 seats double up as our first of 3 double beds. Next up is our overcab double bed. And behind me is our kitchen area. We have our microwave, hob and oven, our sink to my left, as well as our fridge. Next up we have our bathroom, complete with our toilet, sink and shower. Next up we have our final double bed, making this motorhome. It's 6 berth and 4 belts. As we'll be able to see from the pictures, this doubles up as our living area with our TV just to the right. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have hands-free calling. On our screen we can access navigation, radio. If we put our vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera.